Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to hide product description in your WooCommerce store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account. So go ahead and get started logging into your account, and after logging in successfully, right here in this home page at the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started removing product description. So as you can see, by opening up the WooCommerce option right here at the left side screen, this is going to open up this menu where we can get started setting up a store if you have not already. And if you already have your store set up, you can just go ahead and get started editing it. So as you can see right here on the official WordPress.org forum, somebody already asked how to hide product description. So somebody gave us an answer right here, who is one of the WordPress staff, that there is no default option in WooCommerce for that. So if you want to hide the description tab from your products, you can use the following code. So what you want to do guys is go ahead and copy this code right here. Go ahead and find this article right here on WordPress.org and copy the code you can find here. By copying this code and inputting it into your WooCommerce code, guys, this is going to enable you to hide your product code, and your product info is no longer going to go ahead and be appearing as product description and will be hidden. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.